Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I'm over here at the warehouse in the yard checking out one of my favorite finds that we've got recently. Well, really, we salvaged it. We found it, then salvaged it. From season 9. These are Skylights from the Twin Capes ferry that we salvaged in Norfolk. And they are steel construction, tempered glass, stainless bezels, and they weigh a ton, probably literally. They were made in Denmark, just like most of the stuff from the ship. But we could not help ourselves, and you will see it in season 9, the struggle we had getting these things off. But I just think they're so cool. They look like some kind of Star Wars vessel, you know, but there's endless possibilities. They are obviously heavy, heavy duty. They were meant to be, you know, on the outside of a ship, so they had to withstand all kinds of rough seas and stuff. But think of all the possibilities, industrial applications, really cool foyers and great rooms, and a skylight for a structure, you know. So come check them out here at the warehouse. They are literally the first thing you see when you drive through these gates. See ya.